morning students. Today I give you some questions related to the topics which we discussed earlier lectures. Okay, these are the questions which you have to answer. First question is, what is the difference between read line and read lines? What is the difference between read line and read lines? Two functions हैं, read line और read lines. इनमें difference बताना है. Okay. Next, differentiate between the following. A, f equal to open diary.txt w. F equal to open diary.txt a. These two are Python codes. What is the difference between these codes? You have to answer it. We discussed it in earlier lectures. Okay. Please visit earlier lectures and answer these questions. Third, write a program to access the content of a file. कौन सी फाइल? profile.txt using read line and read lines. एक फाइल है हमारे पास profile.txt and we have to access all the contents present in profile.txt file using read function, read line function and read lines function. Three programs create होंगे. First program using read function for accessing all the content from profile.txt. Second program using read line function for accessing all the content from profile.txt. Third, read lines function for accessing profile.txt. ठीक है, all the contents of profile.txt file. Next, write a program to display line number 6 to line number 15 from file marks.txt. We have to write a program. For displaying line number 6 to line number 15 from a file marks.txt. In marks.txt there are 100 lines and we have to display only line number 6 to line number 15. लाइन नंबर 6 से लाइन नंबर 15 तक की लाइंस को क्या करना है? हमें डिस्प्ले कराना है. ठीक है. फॉर डिस्प्लेइंग लाइन नंबर 6 टू लाइन नंबर 15 वी हैव टू राइट अ प्रोग्राम. ओके. नेक्स्ट, राइट अ प्रोग्राम टू डिस्प्ले द साइज ऑफ अ फाइल एंड नंबर ऑफ लाइंस इन द फाइल. कोई भी एक फाइल हमें क्रिएट करनी है, उसकी साइज कितनी है इसको फाइंड करने के लिए, और हाउ मेनी लाइंस आर प्रेजेंट इन दैट फाइल. टू फाइंड हाउ मेनी लाइंस आर प्रेजेंट इन दैट फाइल वी हैव टू राइट अ प्रोग्राम. एक ही प्रोग्राम में फाइल की साइज और नंबर ऑफ लाइंस को हमें क्या करना है? डिस्प्ले कराना है. ठीक है. आई होप फर्स्ट टू क्वेश्चंस आर थ्योरी बेस्ड एंड यू हैव आंसर इट. Third question is write a program. It is also we discussed earlier. This program we also discussed earlier. ठीक है. Hence there is no problem for accessing all the content from profile.txt. Okay. Next, line number 6 to line number 15 की फाइल्स को क्या करना है? एक्सेस करना है. पहले ही हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं हाउ वी एक्सेस लाइंस. ठीक है. यूजिंग रीड लाइन फंक्शन. रीड लाइन फंक्शन का यूज होता है किस लिए? फॉर एक्सेसिंग नंबर ऑफ फॉर एक्सेसिंग वन लाइन एट ए टाइम. फॉर एक्सेसिंग वन लाइन एट ए टाइम वी यूज रीड लाइन फंक्शन. ओके. टू डिस्प्ले 6 to 15, if we write read line first time, then it display first line. So we have to skip from 1 to 5th line. We have to skip from 1 to 5th line and displaying from 6 to 15 lines. Okay. For this purpose we use a for loop. Okay. From 1 to 5th we not displaying the output and from 6 to 15 we displaying the output. Okay. Next, size and number of lines. For displaying the size of a file we use read function. What is the use of it? It is used for accessing all the content and store in iStream. it used for accessing all the content and store it in a string. Let str is a string in which it access all the content from the file in str. Okay. Now we have to find just length of str. If we find length of str, then it is the size of the file of our file. Okay. Using length function. Using length function, we find the length of the str and it is the size of our file. Read lines stores all the content of a file in a list. Stores all the content of a file in a list, and we have to find the length of the list, which display all the lines present in our file. Okay. So for displaying size of a file, we use read function, and for displaying number of lines present in our file, we use read lines function. Okay. Now you have to answer these questions in your pair copy.